Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be showing up the price chart of Luna Classic and also discussing latest news about Luna, Terra Luna Classic. With no further ado, let's get to the video. Should you buy Terra Classic, Lunc? Investors Observer gives Terra Classic a weak short-term technical score of 14 from its analysis. The proprietary scoring system considers the coin's trading history over the past month to determine the strength of its short-term technicals. LUNC has currently traded better than 14% of coins based on these metrics. Investors focused on healthy recent trading patterns should find the short-term technical ranking system more relevant when making investment decisions. Terra Classic is $0.000011, 13.26% higher than its 30-day low price of $0.0000863008, while also $0.000066, 40.2% lower than its high of $0.00016346 from the past month of trading. Meanwhile, LUNC's current price of $0.0000977752 is under its average price of $0.0001063112 set over the past month of trading, leading to a weak short-term technical score. In summation, the recent trading history of Terra Classic suggests that traders are currently bearish on the coin. LUNC has a relatively average market cap for a coin with a total market value of $642,338,517.86. The market valuation for Terra Classic is relatively average due to the largest 100 cryptos having a market cap above $1 billion, and LUNC sits underneath that mark but remains above $100 million in market capitalization. Terra Classic's average volume meanwhile is average with $623,742,061.05 worth of the coin traded over a typical 24-hour period. The volume for LUNC is relatively average as the most traded 100 cryptos have roughly $100 million worth of the crypto exchanged over a 24-hour period, and a large portion of the market trades at least $5 million worth each day. As of the past 24 hours, LUNC's volume is below its average with $61,989,202.21 exchanged. Terra Classic subclass Digital money. Digital money is an asset, commodity, or currency intended to maintain value and liquidity over time so that it may be used the same way fiat currencies are used. LUNC's recent trading over the past month give it a weak short-term technical score as its recent price movement give traders reason to be more bearish on the coin in the short term. Here's the next move in Luna, new DAO infrastructure for Terra. The Seoul Southern District Prosecutor's Office closed their investigation in the case of Terra's collapsed algorithmic stablecoin UST. While the investigation was closed, Terra is now working on rebuilding the lost trust of investors and proponents through DAO infrastructure. The Seoul Southern District Prosecutor's Office ended its investigation in the case of collapsed UST algorithmic stablecoin of Terra Network on July 27. The case covered fraud allegations against co-founders of Terraform Labs, KWON, and Daniel Shin, and the collapse of sister tokens Luna UST. After successful raids on crypto companies connected with the Terra ecosystem, authorities closed the Terra case and seized relevant materials. This included a raid on the residences and offices of all the people who were related or involved in the case. As a result of the case, Daniel Shin is restrained from going out of the country, and KWON has been instructed to inform South Korean officials about his arrival from Singapore. Investigators are considering putting KWON under arrest after issuing a red corner notice to Interpol. What is Terra's Entropy Beacon connection? Entropy Beacon is a decentralized and secure on-chain protocol on the Terra chain. This project works on secure decentralized applications to avoid manipulation by validators. Entropy Beacon is taking a decentralized approach to randomness on-chain. The beacon system uses a cryptography function called a VRF, verifiable random function, to generate randomness alongside a proof that the randomness was tamper-free. Sources close to Terra revealed that Enterprise Protocol, on Twitter Enterprise_DAO, will build a new standard for DAOs on Terra. Standard protocols for building DAO infrastructure could help rebuild Terra infrastructure. Proponents believe DAOs built following standardized protocols could help Terra blockchain build lost trust with users. The difference between Luna and Luna Classic. After the implosion of Terra network and its token, the community approved a plan to restart the project, which confused many people about the new name. Here are the guidelines for two different Terra blockchains, and which token belongs to which. Terra, a digital asset ecosystem once worth $40 billion, collapsed in May 2022, which may mark the largest token crash in cryptocurrency history. UST, once the largest algorithmic stablecoin, and its twin token Luna, were originally intended to stabilize the price of UST, but they almost soared to zero within a week. Before the crash, UST and Luna were the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Terra blockchain needs to be stopped twice during the crisis. Countless investors have lost their life savings in the process of extinction. Developers engaged in Terra-related projects find their livelihood at stake, while other blockchains, such as Polygon and KWON, are pursuing these developers with millions of dollars. Some people in the community decided to stay and focus on how to recover the project. KWON, founder of Terraform Labs, a Terra blockchain development company, took the lead in trying. As a result, there are now two Terra blockchains running in parallel. In the old, original Terra network, the token was renamed Luna Classic, LUNC, and UST tokens. A newly launched blockchain whose native token is called Luna. If you are confused, don't worry. In this guide, we take an in-depth look at it. After Terra imploded, KWON put forward a proposal called Terra Ecosystem Revival Plan 2 on Terra's developer forum. He proposed a plan to create a new blockchain with a fork, and then distribute new tokens among community members according to the number of UST and Luna tokens held by them. Most verifiers, network guardians who approve transactions in the network and have governance rights, voted to approve the proposal. The new Terra blockchain, Terra 2, was launched on May 28, 2022. At the same time, the old blockchain, often referred to as Terra Classic, is still alive, but has little activity and no plans to develop on it. After startup, the new native token of the new network inherits the name of Luna. The old blockchain continues to run, and its token is renamed Luna Classic, LUNC. Luna Classic, LUNC was originally the native token of the first Terra blockchain created in the name of Luna and was launched in 2018. It is used as a twin token to absorb any price deviation of the blockchain algorithm stablecoin Terra USD, UST. UST should have kept its price pegged to the US dollar by creating, casting and destroying burning UST tokens, so as to balance the supply-demand relationship of stabilizing the currency pegged to the US dollar price. When UST lost its dollar peg and collapsed in May 2022, the token fell into a spiral of hyperinflation because the algorithm designed to support UST created trillions of tokens, reducing its value by nearly 100%. As a result, the $119 token at the beginning of April 2022 fell below 1 cent at the end of May 2022. May 28 marks the official launch of the new Terra blockchain. On the same day, some former UST and LUNC holders received their new Luna tokens in the first round of token distribution known as airdrop. Many famous cryptocurrency exchanges supported the conference and listed new tokens. At the beginning of trading, the price fluctuated wildly in all directions as traders speculated about the future utility of the currency. There are some key differences between the new Luna token and the old token. The supply of Luna tokens will be limited, to the maximum extent possible in the circulation of 1 billion coins. Luna did not have a stablecoin pair when it was launched. Investing in Luna Classic, LUNC or Luna is currently high risk. It's like buying a house that's burned to ashes, or prepaying money for a plan that only exists on paper, respectively. The future of the old Terra blockchain, including its LUNC and UST tokens, is uncertain, and there is little incentive to use and build any projects on it. The challenge for the new blockchain is how many of the protocols and development teams built on the old Terra will trust and adhere to the development of applications. The activities and use cases on the new blockchain will finally determine how valuable Luna is and whether it will succeed. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon for more interesting daily cryptocurrency predictions. If you find this video helpful and interesting, kindly consider liking and sharing our videos with your friend. If you have any questions or contribution, kindly drop them on the comment section below. Disclaimer. Please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.